In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Netflix one-year subscription perfect for 2025. We'll take a detailed look at how you can effectively set up a yearly subscription, even though Netflix traditionally bills its users monthly. Let's jump right into it. First, you're going to want to visit the Netflix website by heading over to netflix.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options in the top right corner to either sign in if you already have an account, or to join now if you're new to Netflix. Since we're focusing on setting up a new subscription, let's click on Join Now. From there, you'll be prompted to select a plan that suits your viewing needs. Netflix offers 3 different plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each plan offers various features, such as the number of screens you can watch on at the same time, and HD or Ultra HD availability. Consider what fits best for you and your household before making a decision. After choosing your desired plan, you'll need to sign up with some basic details. Netflix will ask for your email address to create an account and set a password, both of which you'll need for logging in later. Make sure you choose a strong, secure password that you won't forget. Next, it's time to provide a payment method. Netflix allows you to pay using credit or debit cards, but they also enable payments via digital wallets like Gcash or PayPal, depending on your location. While Netflix defaults to monthly billing, you can effectively set up a year-long subscription by using gift cards or purchasing prepaid credit that covers 12 months from the start. To break it down, this means you would acquire enough Netflix gift cards or prepaid balances to cover 12 months of service on your chosen plan. You'll redeem these gift cards on Netflix in the Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code section before your billing begins. This strategy provides you with the flexibility and convenience of prepaying for an entire year, circumventing the recurring nature of monthly billing. And that's it. By completing these steps, you'll have secured a full year of streaming on Netflix, enjoying their vast library of movies, series, and documentaries without the monthly reminders. With your subscription set up, you can sit back, relax, and dive into all the entertainment Netflix has to offer. Keep in mind to always check for any changes in Netflix policies or plan features that might occur over time. Thank you for joining me in this guide on setting up your Netflix subscription for a whole year. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your streaming.